Hello, today we will discuss a scenario to visualize previous year to date sales and current year to date sales. Let's connect to the sample superstore data source. Drag order date to rows and sales to text. We can see that we have data available from 2020 to 2023. For our requirement, we need previous year to date sales and current year to date sales. That means we are interested in the data of years 2022 and 2023. Let's check how can we get the current year to date sales. Current year is 2023. So I have applied filter on 2023 for easier understanding of data. Let's get today's date. In Tableau, today function gives us the current date. To get the current year value, use today function inside year function. We can see that the current date is August 10 of 2023. When we say current year to date, we will be requiring the data from beginning of 2023 to current date. That is from January 1st of 2023 to August 10 of 2023. Here, for current year to date calculation, we need to consider the current year and the current date. So, let's create a calculated field to capture the same. Click the drop down and select Create Calculated Field. Let's name it as Current YTD. Now, for current year to date calculation, year of order date should be same as the current year and order date should be less than or equal to the current date. To display the sales values, let's use if condition. If the records are matching the condition, then display the sales values. Click OK. We can see that for current YTD field, the sales values from January 1st to August 10 are displayed in the table. We have successfully created a calculated field to capture the current year-to-date sales. Let's check how can we capture the previous year-to-date sales. Now, current year is 2023. So, the previous year is 2022. I have applied filter on year 2022 for easier understanding of data. When we say previous year to date, we will be requiring the data from beginning of 2022 to current day of previous year. That is from January 1st of 2022 to August 10 of 2022. Here, for previous year to date calculation, we need to consider the previous year and the current date of previous year. Now, how to get the correct date of previous year? We see that there is a year gap difference between 2023 and 2022. So, let's use date add function. Add -1 year to current date to get previous year date. And to get the date value, use date function. Now, we have got the previous year date, that is August 10 of 2022. To get the year value, use year function. Copy the formula of previous year date and use it inside year function. Let's create a calculated field using the same. Click the drop down and select Create Calculated Field. Let's name it as Previous YTD. Now, for previous year-to-date calculation, year of order date should be same as the previous year, and order date should be less than or equal to the current date of previous year. To display the sales values, let's use if condition. If the records are matching the condition, then display sales value. Click OK. We can see that for previous YTD field, the sales values are displayed from January 2nd to August 9. We see that there is no record for January 1st and August 10. We have successfully created a calculated field to capture the previous year-to-date sales. Let's go to the first sheet. Add the calculated fields to the table. We can see that the current year-to-date and previous year-to-date sales are captured in the table. Let's visualize the current YTD and previous YTD category sales using bar chart. Select bar from the marks area, drag category to columns and previous YTD field to rows. Drag current YTD field onto Y-axis next to previous YTD field. Drag measured names to color. Drag measure values to label to display the values. Bar chart to display current YTD and previous YTD category sales is ready. To display subcategory-wise current YTD and previous YTD sales using line chart, select line from the marks area. Drag subcategory to columns and previous YTD field to rows. Drag current YTD field onto Y-axis next to previous YTD field. Drag measure values to label to display the values. Line chart to display current YTD and previous YTD subcategory sales is ready. To display subcategory-wise current YTD and previous YTD sales using dual axis chart, select bar from the marks area, drag subcategory to columns and current YTD field to rows. Drag previous YTD field onto rows. Click the drop down and enable dual axis. Right-click on the dual axis, that is the axis having previous YTD. Enable synchronize axis. From the marks area for previous YTD field, select line. Dual axis chart to display subcategory-wise current YTD and previous YTD sales is ready. Hope this was useful. Thank you.